Hello guys, welcome to my channel Data Analytics. In this video, I will be providing the two different job updates on you. And one is a customer service executive job and Infosys. In Infosys, they have the customer service executive, and one was a data science level 2 and tech. And you can see the one by one. And go with the first is Infosys in the customer service executive. In location was Hyderabad. There was providing the package is a 2.25 to 4.5 LPA as per annum. It's a full time minimum 10th pass in fresher. And job requirement customer service executive in Infosys. And location was there provided in Hyderabad only. And qualification basic qualification there was required is 0 to high school and school minimum 10th class when they required, and 0 to 5 years of customer service experience. They are fresher also can apply for this role, and Infosys also can apply for this role in the customer service executive, right? And what is the job description? Join from Infosys is a customer service executive in the Kolkata, West Bengal, because is integral the part of the customer support team. Whether you can assist secondary is a professional just started from the career. If you are passionate about the delivery and execution customer care and invited to apply. This was sent is a description. Want a interest from the customer service can have this pass out also can apply from this role in the customer service executive. And what is the key responsible? Provide the understand the customer service and customer whether is a to issue relevant and maintain the customer records and documents. Can maintain the customer records and documents also, and create a positive and the largest customer experience. And qualification that was required is minimum 10th pass, and there is providing the experience advance and candidate with period of the experience. And one more is a communication is required, most important is the communication only. And join Infosys, okay, customer service, and annually salary was 2.2 to 4.5. This is the best opportunity, I think. His salary also they annually present 2.2 to 4.5 LPA, right? Yeah, these are not the basic questions only. What is the qualification required? What is the salaries range? What is the period of the customer service? What is the work location? And Kolkata and West Bengal, right? Yeah, one more job is the data science, and is a Uber company that is providing, and the role is the data science. They need the can go through the about the role. This is all what is about the role in the data science. We are looking for the experience. They was looking for the only experienced candidate from the data science as the significations contributions missing the optionally Uber is a financial infrastructure providing the positions to amazing MS opportunity. They give the given the is the Amazon opportunity, amazing opportunity as a lead advanced analyst. They need the advanced analyst and implementation built to the financial statement system generating the improve the financial report execution. Okay, they need the experienced candidate only and the data analyst team, right? And what do you work from the closely senior leaders and production data? There is work from the data science the senior leaders. And one more see science science engineering completely cooperating from fastly moving the high tasks and product problem deeply analytic passes on the ability from the experience business. There is a deeply analyst they need and deeply, right? And professionals and give the communication also. There is communication effectively and throw the idea also and implement. And again what is you need is a qualification. They will need the MS and bachelor of degree maths and economics and statistics, engineering, computer science, other qualified, and MS degree minimum 1 year of experience in industrial experience, and bachelor of degree minimum 2 years of industrial experience and data science also. And they need the advanced SQL coding, advanced SQL, and on the statistical methods and experience in Excel, dashboards, data visualizations, Tableau, and one more. Okay, an expert from the ML machine learning, and again we need the you can learn from the ability from methods and data collection analyst. Can strong with the communication skills. It can go with anywhere you need the communication skills, right? Yeah, ability multiple tasks, and it is industrial place. These are two job updates guys can apply from this role, two roles in the customer service executive and also the data science job also the Uber company. These are two best companies and Infosys Uber can apply from this. I will give the description for you links and along with I will give the description links in the telegram channel also. And if you like this video, like and subscribe my channel, and also if you really interested in my videos and like and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye.